Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. The wedding season is here and I'm so excited, but what I'm not excited about is my grey hair. So मुझे grey hair का problem काफ़ी सालों से है and मैं बहुत बार salon में hair color पहले करवा चुकी हूँ, but now I prefer coloring my hair at the comfort of my home. And given the current situation, it is ideal to color your hair at home. So as you can see, I have a lot of grey hair. I like to tackle my greys at the comfort of my home, and it is made super duper easy. Godrej Expert Rich Creme Hair Color with 10x Aloe Vera. So I'm going to use this to cover my greys at the comfort of my home, and it's very easy to use it, and I'm really excited to have found this product because it has 10x aloe vera and it is an ammonia free formula. Ammonia is not very good for your hair and your health in general, so you want to avoid hair products which have ammonia. This one is ammonia free and it also has 10x aloe vera. So aloe vera हम सब जानते हैं is a very good ingredient for your skin, but most of you don't know that aloe vera is equally good for your hair also. So this particular product has 10x aloe vera, which means my hair is going to be conditioned, it's going to be soft, it's going to be healthy. I'm going to take you through the entire process of how I cover my grey using this Godrej Expert Rich Cream Hair Color. I'm going to be using the shade Natural Brown. और भी बहुत variants आते हैं and it is extremely affordable. It retails only for 30 rupees and it's very easy to use. So yeah, it's very easy to use. I'm going to take you through the entire process and wait until the end of the video to see a very nice and easy to do hairstyle that you can rock this wedding season. So stay tuned. Before you start to color your hair, one good practice is to use any petroleum jelly and apply it along your hairline so that the color doesn't go on your skin. I also like to cover my ears a little bit with the petroleum jelly, and now I'm ready to apply the color. So now I'm going to take you through the hair application process, and after that I'm going to show you a lovely hairstyle. करने के लिए आपको चाहिए hair color, of course, एक glass bowl और एंड इस टाइप के एक ब्रश से आप इसे मिक्स भी कर सकते हैं कलर को, एंड यू कैन अप्लाई इट ऑल्सो ऑन योर हेयर वेरी इजीली. तो आज जो मैं शेड यूज़ कर रही हूँ वो है नेचुरल ब्राउन. So once you open the packet, you will see two sachets in this. One is the color and one is the developer. One by one we will mix both of these into the glass bowl. It has a lovely green color and it doesn't smell of harsh chemicals, which I like. So I'm going to empty this and then I'm going to open the other packet and I'm going to empty that as well. अब मैं इसमें डेवलपर डाल रही हूँ और पूरा सैशे इसका भी मैं इसमें डाल दूँगी. Now you have to mix both of these very nicely. So I'm just going to brush my hair once so that there are no knots. And ये जो मैंने कलर अब मिक्स किया है इसे section by section I'm going to apply it. Once you've applied the color, you have to let it sit on your hair for 20 to 30 minutes and then wash it off and shampoo your hair. So now I'm going to wait for 20 to 30 minutes and then I'm going to wash off my hair and be right back with you guys. See you! I am back after washing my hair and you can see my hair is nice bounce, shine, and of course most important of all the grey hair from my hair are gone. I'm mighty excited now to try any hairstyle that I want to do. I don't have to worry about grey hair anymore. Anywhere, you just turn all the grey hair, they are gone. My hair feels shiny, they feel bouncy. I'm really happy. So mission successful. Now I am going to do my hair and makeup. Now I'm sharing a small snippet of a makeup look that I'm going to rock for the wedding season. Just going to apply some foundation, do some contouring, apply some blush and do a quick and easy eye makeup look and be ready to attend the parties. I'm so happy now I can do any eye makeup look, and I'll just show you the finished look just in a bit. So here is the final look with the hair and makeup, and I can now do my hair, twist them, keep any parts that I want because I don't have to fear my grey hair anymore. So yes, this wedding season, don't let your grey hair keep you from doing your favorite hairstyle. Try the new Godrej Expert Rich Creme hair color at home. And that is all for this video, you guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video. And please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that. If you're new here, welcome to my... And I'm going to take your leave now. Thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.